if you have done your research and you are as sure as you can ever be that you've picked a good product and your product is going to sell, then I would say go for it and get your product up there, get it selling, and start making those sales. You know, if you've done your math and all your math works out properly for your product, you're buying at 15 and selling at the equivalent of $60 for instance, whatever that may be, then go for it. Absolutely. The only thing to check, of course, with your wholesaler, as you've said, is how quickly they can get the product to you. Because if you sell out of those 25 units super fast, then you want to make sure that you can get more product in super fast to replace that, replenish the stock so you can carry on selling. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.